Alright. This place is pretty cute. I like it. I like it a latte. Stuff everywhere. With some milk. Hello. It is baking bread time. As Satoru Kojo. Yes, this is him. And we are baking bread. If you can't see what you can see out in front of me, we got everything we need. We have ingredients. We have all of these things. So we will set this right here. Bam. Follows. Okay. What am I doing? I gotta be able to reach. Okay. Now, I cannot read that. Nope, no. English. Let's see, things you can make. Mini baguette, croissant, pizza. Okay. First we'll go with the baguette. Okay, baguette. Everybody relax. Okay. What do we need? What do we need? All the ingredients in a bread bowl. We got flour, salt, dry yeast, and water. Okay. Flour. Yes. Dry yeast. Salt. And water. Is that all? Oh, maybe I should stop. Okay, yeah, looks good. Let's see. Sorry if that makes you sick. We'll go a little slower. Knead by hand, cover plastic wrap, and let it ferment for the first time. Alright, it's kneaded. Just cover plastic wrap. It's fermenting. Oh, I'm picking it up. Okay. Bread. Oh, what did it say? Place on kneading board and spread out by hand. Okay. Bam. By hand. Nice. Fold. Wow. Cut with scraper. Bam. Oh, what? Shape divide dough into rounds by hand. Oh, I'm doing a mini baguette. I didn't even know I was doing a mini baguette. Okay. Nice. Sorry, it's a little fast. I don't get motion sick, by the way. Okay. Place on board for the second formation and cover with cloth. I guess this board? No. Cloth? Is that wrong? Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Board for the second fermentation, cover with cloth, and let ferment for the second time. Oh, there we go. Nice. Shape divided dough. Place and okay. Make cuts with the coupe knife. Beep, boop, boop, boop. Place on oven plate. 2 at a time. Bam. Bam. Oh. And place an oven. Wait, those are done, but not the other ones. Crazy. Nice, they're so cute. Ooh, look at the texture. Now some others have got to be baked. Just one? Yes! We done did it. Sorry. Does it take longer because it's outside? You know, I don't know. But we did some mini baguettes. I'm excited. Maybe I'll make pizza next. This is so cute. I love it. Look at all the ingredients. They have everything you need. This is not gonna cook. Maybe if I put it in the other way. Nope, still did it the wrong way. Anyways, thank you for watching. This is fun. Bye. Wait, we'll take a self photo.